This course is a proper combination of cybersecurity, networking, and ethical hacking. We may recommend some software as well as some specific environments such as Parrot Linux, Kali Linux. There may be some specific requirements such as HDD graphics. Those things are important for proper understanding of topic, and of course the understanding of coding is a plus point. Additionally, people with CSE backgrounds may be better, but those are not important much. This is a proper guideline for the cybersecurity professional. Hey, what's going on? It's Markie Williams. Welcome to my channel, online certification course. Enjoy the tutorial, and the links will be down in the description below. Please make sure you like if this tutorial was informative. Subscribe so you won't miss out on any training courses you may want to pick up. Also, please comment below as to what you'd like to get certified in, and I can send you a link personally to check out. So let's get started. You will overall learn cybersecurity introductions to advanced Linux operating systems and commands, ethical hacking, and network security. So I'm pretty sure we all know what cybersecurity is, but let's dig a little deeper as to what ethical hacking is and then go into what this course will teach you. Since the inception of Certified Ethical Hacker in 2003, the credentials has become one of the best options for industries and companies across the world. Ethical hacking is an authorized process of attempting to gain unauthorized access over a defined network, computer, or data. It is also performed by security experts called white hats. Aim to improve the security posture of an organization. An ethical hack can be defined as how perfectly one can copy malicious hacker actions and strategies. Ethical hackers identify vulnerabilities and suggest resolving before malicious attackers exploited them. They work proactively while pen testing the system or networks on approval of an organization. Learn how to penetrate networks, exploit systems, break into computers, and compromise routers. You can use these valuable skills to work for companies that you want to use these skills to test their network security and show them how to enhance it. How would you feel if you could apply these skills to what you already know to greatly advance your career as a network specialist, network administrator, or freelance online? Cybersecurity is the combination of processes, practice, technology designs to protect networks, computers, programs, data, and information from attack, damage, or unauthorized access. In this cybersecurity training course, you will learn about the aspect of cybersecurity from defensive as well as offensive sides, along with the methodology that must be practiced, ensuring information security of an organization. In this cybersecurity online training course, you will learn about the essential building blocks and the basic concepts around cybersecurity, such as confidentiality, integrity, availability, security architecture, security policies, and so on. In addition to these concepts, you will also explore the core topics such as security governance, audit compliance, and security architecture. This course will go over types of footprinting techniques, types of hackers, security auditing, and much more. In this module, you will learn the importance of application level security. You will also explore various known application weaknesses, techniques to attack them, and various control solutions to these vulnerabilities. You will also get an overview of a countermeasure that can be used for an employee to protect from different threats. In this chapter, you will go over some of these important topics, such as web server architecture, web server attacks, countermeasures, and patch management. Also in this packed course, you will learn identity and access management, vulnerability analysis, malware threats, sniffing, SQL injection, DOS, session hijacking, and various security practices for businesses. I mentioned there is much more to break down with these courses, but this tutorial will go on forever. By clicking on the link I will have below, you can browse through them to get a full detail as to what the online course will cover, and then you can go on to make your selection if this is the right courses for you. As I have mentioned above, you can take these certifications, add them to your resume, brush them up a bit, and also use these certifications to start freelancing your service to small businesses that really need some help. But you can't fully afford an employee in that position, and that's why you can freelance yourself out to these small businesses. I will also leave a link below in regards to how to freelance your services through Fiverr as well to help you get started. Many thanks for taking some time to check out my tutorial. All the links will be in the description below. Please subscribe so you won't miss out on any training certification courses you may want to pick up. As always, hit the like button if you found this tutorial informative so I can continue making more content. Also, comment below as to what you'd like to get certified in. I can always create a link to send it to you personally to check out. Please feel free to check me out on Facebook, Markie Williams, but there I also have an online certification course as well. You can like and follow. Once again, many thanks. It's Markie Williams, and I'm out.